Assalamu alaikum guys. It's 13 June, Newsday. A quick snippet video on overall market, what is going on in market and what we will expect, because it's crypto. You will expect the unexpected. Let me start from USDT dominance. I will cover lower time frames, mainly lower time frames in this video. Let me do it like this. Okay, this is USDT dominance chart on 1 day chart. If you see here, sorry, for weekly, you will check out weekly chart. If you see, I will remove everything here. Higher high, higher low, again higher high created, structure breaks here. It means we have bearish order block. After structure break, we will mark bearish order block. Here is weekly bearish order block. It means USDT dominance is reaching towards its order block. However, it already filled this the whole FEG here, so might we get a spike into here and then reversal. Now on lower time frame, I will check whether it is turning bearish or not. What it is going on here. What? Okay, on lower time frame, like on daily, if any reversal happens, sorry for that, cock motherfucker is honking behind my. Okay, first look at this trend line on daily here. The trend line I'm using for liquidity. It means if trend is going up, stops are building here, money is here. This is whole money zone. So first, this is weakness for me. First reversal point for me is this weakness. Now on daily, I have got my weakness here. Like this will be done in, it will take a month or weeks here, but this is my key indication that money is building below 8%. So it might get squeezed out. If it dropped, BTC will be up. So on H4, H3, what is going on in H3, we will see higher highs are creation, higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows. Again here it is. If I see a traditional pattern is forming here, a bullish bull flag, or bull flag you will call it, or you will call this zone as peanut or whatever you are calling. If it break out towards upside, so our weekly our target will be like pole. We will check out pole here. So if suppose we are assuming here, if it broke out here, so target will be our weekly supply zone. Now on H1, what is going on H1, we will check it out. Lower lows, higher high on, like I will check it. Suppose, let me remove everything here. Higher high, equal highs are there. It means equal highs are liquidations. Always this is liquidity area. It means these are not entry zone, these are target zone. It means someone will build position here, his target will be these equals, so he will get out here. But structure wise, we will see higher high, this was higher low, structure broke out here, order block created, this one order block is created here, beautiful order block. After structure breakout, it tested, rejected. This is now acting as strong highs. This should be defended at any cost, but the problem is why they left these equal highs here. Oh fuck, these equal highs. why they left there. If weakness is coming in the market and USDT dominance is going down, why the hell they left that equal highs up there? So a bit of fishiness here. This was CHOCH, BOS also here. So retested here, coming here. This was target match perfectly. Now what we will expect here, a bit more downside, because this is BOS again. BOS now equal lows are also here. Look at this equal lows. So now there might be if I see on 15 minute, these equal, this is CHOCH zone. Let me cover it up. This one is CHOCH zone. So might be, if it goes up here, it will go straight towards these equals, these equals, and again there are equals remaining on bottom. Then if once it got that liquidity, and if it tap, it goes straight up in weekly supply, then we will have this one. But these equals are on M15, so they don't really matter. Like how to trade these equals. Now there are two we have two methods. First, people will wait for this CHOCH because lower lows are in creation. Let me show you lower lows. Lower low, lower high, again lower low, this one lower high, again these were equal lows, got out, new lower low created. This zone will act as lower high. Now it should be protected at any cost, this one and this one. So it might get rejected from here and swept that these equal lows might get swept out. Once these equal lows swept out, a great wick here, and then if you see a after sweeping any M15 green candle here, it means on alts, on Bitcoin, this is proper short setup. This will give you indication that equals are going out, and it will give you indication that short the market here. You can short, and because the USDT dominance below liquidity taken out, it will go towards this zone, equal highs. If this target will be, so on lower time frame it is turning bearish, but on a higher time frame it is still bullish. And what will be our supply zone? The weekly supply, which I marked up here, will be remain our final target on USDT dominance. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say here, and why I'm trying to where is going weekly chart. I think I removed that supply zone, this one, sorry, this zone, this order block. So might get take out this like 8.6%, one more up here, and then come down. Now I will go for to the another chart that is called DXY. What is DXY doing on this is one of my oldest chart, working sweet here, equals taken out, and it is also coming because this on a higher time frame it is also making lower low. That was bullish order block here on Dixie. It break down, created lower low. That is bearish order block here. Here is your bearish order block. On weekly it tapped and it is rejecting. So on Dixie is also bearish here. So market might get pumped. These are the target of this Dixie, and this will be the strong high here. It should be protected at any cost by bulls, bears. So yeah, this is Dixie also going down here. One more thing I will before going towards what we will say towards Bitcoin, this is total 3 chart here. Here it is, important level here at $312 billion. This is important chart. On weekly it broke down, last week it broke down here, but structure wise when we see this, it's a bit tricky here. This is internal shift here, first shift, bullish shift, and this is our what we will say, if this is inducement, maybe it will be inducement. So this week will decide whether the internal shift is right, that this order block will decide, this weekly order block will decide whether this internal shift was worth of going into alts or no, because all FEGs are down FEGs are filled already. Here it is trend line also building here, and if this order block holds here, then this will be our BOS here proper, that will be not an inducement or fake out. I will suggest this will be the target on alts. If someone buying some alts here, his target will be this zone, so he will get out from alts in this zone. Overall structure is lower lows, because the low created here, then this is new low here again. After this internal structure shift, this order block is holding. If this is it is going down and it is it didn't reclaim this important level, so total 3 will be going down, and there is nothing in between till here, there is nothing. So like 170 billion, that is the last week we saw a crash of this last red candle. So if loses here on weekly, it will go straight to 170 billion and you will see a bloodbath in alts. So this is for now, this weekly order block is holding here. On lower time frame, if I see, things are getting bullish already. Lower time frame suggest this. I will remove everything because I don't like things on my many things on my chart. This is low here, the first low, 298 billion low, first structure shift here, this was first structure shift. So here order block created, it reacted again, this goes out, this high taken out here, again this high taken out here. So higher highs in creation, but the problem is this low. Why they left this low? I will show you some more things here, like RNDR coin, RND Storgy. Why they left this wick here? It is not filled yet. ADA, look at this wick. Matic, this wick. So these wicks might get filled out sooner or later, 50% and maybe full. So total 3 also suggested that, bro, I'm going up, okay, no problem, but I have lows there to be taken out sooner or later. So if it comes down towards 298 billion again, alts will bleed more. Those who are like in depression that we didn't catch any bottom yet, so wait for it, it will come again here, it will stabilizes. Once this low taken out and it started stabilizing here, that means now it's time to go in alts. A bit you will expose yourself in market, because this is probability game. Chart says go, we will go. and then clear invalidation will be any new low will be created here. That will be our stop loss. Simple. On low on any altcoin which you will like to go in, just mark your lows and you will buy on spot, you and wait for it to market do its things. If it is not a low, and I tell you that this is important and crucial level, if this lost, we will straight go to 170 billion market cap, and you will know what happened towards then. Now coming back to the king. King, what is king doing? King Bitcoin. I shared M15 idea here already shared this one. This is my range high taken out, Monday high also taken out, CH zone I marked, and I marked this this red zone like randomly, that my order block will be there. And if this CH formed here now, from here, from like 26 122, if CH straight form here, that green candle will be our order block. So that random maybe that will be our entry, and stop loss will be straight this zone here. And target, another look at this meme line. Meme line is building here, so it is too vertical. I think it is vertical, so it will break down. Maybe we didn't get any retest, it will go straight down, like on INJ trade we had, and it goes straight down. So one entry on CH, second entry in order block, stop above, clear invalidation. Target range low, or where is Monday low? Yeah, this is Monday low. You can target these two zone. High RR, I think it is like of how much R it is giving from CH. If I give entry, take entry, and I target first this one point, this one. Why this one? There is a reason behind it. NPOC of this range, this one first target here, almost 1 hour, second target 2.85 hour. So good trade it will be for today's scalp. If I mark mid of this zone, yeah, first target 25,722, this one 1.25, and second here. If we got sniper entry, then of course our RR will be good. Now coming back towards higher time frame, let me move my screen. On higher time frame, what is going on in Bitcoin daily? That will be a bit important points here and tricky points here. Why I first explain USDT dominance, now that will be correlate with Bitcoin. Be focus here. That was our previous. If I exactly mark here, if it rejected, yes, range high, previous range high. This is our mega range here, deviated below, reclaimed, goes up, rejected from range high, came here in mid range, and then go breakout. Why not that as deviation? Maybe people will start shorting when daily came here in in this zone. So most of the trader and retailer will say that it is coming back into the zone again. Might be I'm wrong here, but I'm thinking a bit different here. Why I'm different here? Look at here, a higher high zone here, higher low, again higher high. So this zone means, this whole zone means this is higher low zone, this is bullish zone here. Okay, higher high created, this is higher low created here, and then CH formed. Okay, it means we have bearish order block here, up here in this region. Okay, price came here, rejected perfectly, we got a red candle here in this zone. Then what happened? It goes straight up. It didn't respected that order block. Now that order block turns into a breaker. This order block is now work as breaker. Let me mark it like breaker. Okay, first this one. This is our breaker here. Second, what I'm looking into the market here is after this breakout we have BOS also here. So it means that zone, this whole zone is our higher low zone, and in higher low zone if you zoom in again, in breaker we have our order block here. This is our, I will mark as a blue zone. So now what I'm thinking here, I'm saying that I will be a completely wrong here. I will be completely wrong here. No, who knows what will market do, but as a trader I will spot my opportunities. So I'm thinking that it will came here down and it will deviate below retest and it will go again up. This is what I'm thinking right now. Because a trend line is beautiful, trend line is building here. Why not deviation below here? Breakout retest, might not retest, go up again. Why? Because what I have explained earlier on USDT chart, total 3 is supporting bullishness, USDT dominance is going into weekly supply. So if Bitcoin comes here in this zone, already USDT dominance will go up, then Bitcoin will be here again. If once USDT dominance rejected in weekly supply zone, then we will slowly go up here. So this is what I'm thinking right now, and I'm patiently waiting for it. Once Bitcoin came here today, 2 3 4 news are lining up. So might be they get out early, longer is here in reject all to its I mean they will eliminate all longers here, and then they will move market towards upside. Because why I'm saying, why I already told my premium members that I'm bullish on news. Why I'm news? Inflation rate YOY forecast 4.1. What are previous? Previous was 4.9, forecasting is 4.1. If they go with 4.1, 2, 3 below 4.9, it's bullish because inflation is reducing. Core inflation forecast is 5.3, previous 5.5. If it goes with 5.3, 5.4, maybe 5.5, it is bullish. Inflation rate MOM previous 0.4, forecast they are showing that 0.2. They are going with 0.34, not above 0.4. It is also a bullish news. Let me give you another. Fed conference, this Fed press conference will shake the market. FOMC economic projections, it will shake the market. Fed interest rate decision, that is the important and really important one. Forecast 5.25, previous 5.25. It means they will slightly, they are not reducing interest rate, but neither they are increasing. If they increase 0.5, it means we are bearish. 0.25, we expect in market that market will go up, because 0.25 is nothing in compared to 0.5%. But what if they stopped here? We are not going to increase our interest rates. Forecast is showing 5.25 and it is same as previous, so that is also bullish. PPI 0.2 previous, now it is going into negative. Another retail sales, don't give a fuck. Many consumers, they don't give a fuck. So news are lining up here, forecast are bullish. So why not shake the market towards downside? Came back here in this zone. Let me check out if my fib zones are here or not. This is a proper rally. Yeah, fib zones are below. Yes, and good zone. Fib zones are here, so it means if these are our important levels, this one, this zone here is my important, one of the important level, 24 200, 25 to 23, 25, 24 300 to that gets out like we have this FEG. If it tapped here in, so 23 300, this is important, like $800 zone, and my $1,800 move from here, so that will be a good zone. Okay, the higher time frame is still bullish. Don't get bearish here yet. Structure is bullish. Yes, we are fucked up already right now, but market don't move. Like, look at this move, two moves. It is going up here like crazy. Now it is bleeding slowly. What does that show? This it is showing me a bit of strength still here up in market. And yes, if my idea played out, we will catch like 2-3k move on Bitcoin, on alts, a good 20-30% pump. Maybe we caught it, but what our simply in this zone below here or here, this is our invalidation zone, we will be out. So we will expect, because this order block if break down here, it means this breaker and order block, now that breaker will be removed from the scene here, then this order block will be act as breaker. But I trust on breakers work a lot. So this bullish order block will be act as breaker again down toward, if price trade came here in this zone retest, that will be a retest zone and it will be go down. So yeah, this is what I'm thinking right now. I explained USDT dominance, total 3, Bitcoin higher time frame analysis, news analysis. On alts, only one alt I'm looking at right now is uh, link USDT.p, my favorite chart. As always, broke down below the range. This was the range, 75 years range. On weekly, if I see any this, if total 2 again dropped a bit, it will come here in this zone, 4.49 to 3.8 zone. So yeah, if someone is looking for arts, I will go in. I will, this time I will get in, like here I am calculating my position sizing and what I'm like now I am making decision here how much I will risk here. Stop here in this zone, and I will target first this range low, reclaimed range, reclaimed, then range high target. On range low I will exact a bit quantity, and then on like towards $9. Who knows, this is market and this is what it is. So yes, this is what I have right now. Link I'm looking at, solely link. Solana I had levels here, but I didn't execute it, so it tapped exactly my this level 20.8 and this was stop. It is up since like 24%. So yes, I'm looking for this zone 16.77, 16.9 to short. This will be, if price came here I will try to short it, stop here somewhere like 17.8 to target this wick. Because why they are leaving this wick behind? Why? There is no reason to leave wicks behind. So fill this wick and give us proper entry here. Solana also looking good for me right now. So yes, this is what I have right now. Any question, comment below, like the video and share it with your friends if you want. Thank you so much.